2021 wasn't as miraculous as any of us wanted. We have made progress. After a polar vortex, a pandemic, a national recession, multiple 500-year flooding events, and a kidnapping and murder plot, I've been asked, how the heck do I keep doing this? Well, my answer is simple. I show up for every Michigan family. I want to keep delivering on the kitchen table issues.
Those kitchen table issues mentioned by Governor Gretchen Whitmer in tonight's State of the State address include infrastructure, schools, health care, safer communities, employment, and helping small businesses thrive. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. I'm Elise Ramey. TV5's Kendall Keys has a breakdown of the key points in the governor's speech.
The state of our state is strong and getting stronger every day.
Governor Gretchen Whitmer highlighting her accomplishments during her time in office, starting with her key campaign issue, roads.
Michigan has repaired, rebuilt, or rehabilitated over 13,000 lane miles of road and over 900 bridges.
Support for small businesses through the pandemic.
We delivered over $420 million in relief to small businesses.
And a focus on schools.
We made the largest education investment in state history without raising taxes.
She also touched on her emphasis on public safety.
For law enforcement, we funded better training, delivered hazard pay, and expanded resources for local police departments.
But State Representative Phil Green tells TV5 he wanted to hear more specifics.
I wish you would have talked about supporting public safety and funding our law enforcement better.
Whitmer looked forward to 2022, laying out plans to cut taxes.
Rolling back the retirement tax and raising the EITC will keep more money in people's pockets.
And on the heels of GM's announcement that it's investing $7 billion to make Michigan the hub of its electric vehicle push, Whitmer introduced an incentive for people to buy electric vehicles.
I'm proposing a combined $2,500 electric vehicle rebate for families.
Representative Green points out a contradiction between the two.
She talked about cutting taxes and making it more affordable for seniors and for families. Yet on the flip side is she talked about getting tax rebates for the wealthy people who could afford a new electric vehicle.
Green, however, says her push for lowering insulin costs and a focus on mental health is something he and the legislature supports.
That's stuff the legislature has been working on for years. And so I'm thankful that she's showing support to the work the legislature is doing.
Reporting for WNEM TV5, I'm Kendall Keys.